You're listening to AI Prism from Seoul Economic Daily.
Three numbers before the open. KOSPI closed at 8,096, up 8.18%. VKOSPI hit 91.23, an all-time record above the 2008 financial crisis peak. Forced liquidations, 300 billion won across 2 sessions. The rebound is real. The risk structure underneath it is not resolved. It's Wednesday, June 10th. Here's what today's story could mean for the Korean market. Monday's circuit breaker was triggered by a combination of Middle East escalation fears and aggressive portfolio repositioning ahead of the SpaceX IPO. Tuesday's recovery tracked the easing of Iran-Israel tensions and an overnight rebound in U.S. semiconductor names. Here's what the numbers show. Samsung Electronics closed up 8.97% at 322,001, recovering from Monday's 10.18% drop. SK Hynix posted a 15.91% gain, its largest single-day advance on record, to close at 2,215,001. Samsung Electro-Mechanics surged 18.39%, reclaiming the KOSPI's number 4 position by market cap at 147 trillion won, roughly $103 billion, overtaking Hyundai Motor at 130 trillion won. Margin loan balance stands at 37.8 trillion won, approximately $26 billion, near its recent peak. Forced selling over the 2-session shock totaled 3,052 billion won. Foreign investors sold a net 2 trillion won Tuesday, extending their streak to 22 consecutive sessions of net selling. The SpaceX IPO factor is a live variable. Mirai Asset Securities ran 2 subscription rounds for SpaceX shares, both sold out in under 2 minutes each. Analysts at Daishin Securities note that in 5 comparable mega IPO cases, the KOSPI weakened in 4 of them before the listing date and rose in 4 of the 5 within 20 trading days after. If SpaceX's AI infrastructure positioning attracts post-IPO capital back towards semiconductor names, Samsung Electronics and SK Hynix are the primary KOSPI beneficiaries. So what does this mean for traders following specific Korean names? The VKOSPI at 91 does not mean the bottom is in. It means the options market is pricing extreme near-term movement in both directions. The 22-session foreign selling streak is the more persistent structural pressure. Until that reverses, each recovery attempt faces a ceiling. The SpaceX listing is the single event most likely to flip that flow if the AI infrastructure narrative draws capital back to KOSPI's core semiconductor holdings rather than away from them. What to watch? U.S. May CP. I released this week. The print determines whether the FOMC meeting next week raises rate cut probability. SpaceX, first-day trading performance, and its effect on institutional rebalancing towards semiconductor ETFs. The VKOSPI, a close below 70, would mark the first signal of genuine volatility normalization. #KOSPI. That's today's AI Prism, stock investors. This episode was produced with AI assistance based on Seoul Economic Daily reporting and reviewed by a human editor. AI Prism is a WAN IFRA award-winning series. We'll be back tomorrow.
You've been listening to AI Prism from Seoul Economic Daily.